my character is actually the little mouse around Badi Didi and getting a lot of the dirty work done.
Of course, जो भी film करो या series करो, ये होता है कि I hope the audience likes what we've done, and I hope I've been honest to the character.
हाँ भाई, एक रियलिस्टिक तरीके से एक कॉप को दिखाने की कोशिश की है हमेशा तीनों सीजन्स में, क्योंकि वही सच है.
मैंने सीजन 1 में एक कॉप को एक पुलिस ऑफिसर को फॉलो करना शुरू किया था और उनको मैं सीजन 1 से शैडो कर रही हूँ. सीजन 2 और सीजन 3 में भी मैं उनसे एक बार मिल के आती हूँ, 3-4 दिन उनके साथ उनके वर्क प्लेस में टाइम बिताती हूँ, तो अच्छा लगता है. हर बार कुछ सीखने को मिलता है.
I enjoy the expectations. I enjoy the challenge. It's
Hi, I'm Shefali Shah and I'm on IWM Buzz, and please watch Delhi Crime 3. It's coming soon and it's the best.
Hi, I'm Rasika Dugal. You're watching me on IWM Buzz. Please watch Delhi Crime Season 3 on Netflix on November 13th.
Hi, this is Shayoni. You're watching this on IWM Buzz, and please watch Delhi Crime Season 3 on 13th November on Netflix.
This is Dhanush Chopra. You're watching IMW Buzz. Delhi Crime 3 is coming out November 13th. Enjoy it. Watch it. Let's go.
हेलो, मेरा नाम राजेश तेलंग है. आप देख रहे हैं IMW Buzz और डेली क्राइम 3 आने वाला है 13 नवंबर को नेटफ्लिक्स पर. ज़रूर देखिएगा.
हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू IWM बस. और आज हमारे साथ है स्पेशल स्टार कास्ट ऑफ दिल्ली क्राइम विथ न्यू मेंबर ऑल्सो. काफ़ी हाई एक्सपेक्टेशन है ऑडियंस की ये स्टार कास्ट के साथ, और ये सीरीज़ ने काफ़ी सारे चेंजेस लाया है इंडियन OTT में. सो चलिए मिलते हैं सभी स्टार कास्ट से. सो फर्स्टली बिग कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Tanuj, I want to start from yours. How was your first reaction when you learned like this time will be something different? Because there's a high expectation from audience, and when you have expectation from audience, is there nervousness or excitement from your side?
From my side, I enjoy the expectations. I enjoy the challenge. It's forces you to be at your best and not get complacent. I don't feel the pressure. I think the show is beautifully laid out by Richie in season 1. Amazing cast of characters. It's actually harder to do a first season than it is in a way to do a third, because now all the characters are in motions. We just get to have fun, and we had such a good time on season 2. I love these actors so much as actors and people, and I knew that we just wanted more. So I don't feel those things. I look at what we have, not what's out there in the world.
So what made you choose this topic this time? Why human trafficking?
Well, I think a lot of it has to do with connections to Chaya Sharma's cases, and also this was a chance to show a new side of our police force. This type of crime involves an emotional policing and a more empathetic approach to the procedure. And we did a season 1 where it was a very traumatizing, gut-wrenching crime. Season 2 was about fear and elderly and how safety of our homes. Place that we all felt we could expand was emotionally. This crime, while it's horrible to live in, it's horrible to think about these things that happen and how many missing girls are out there and why people go missing and just generally the kinds of trafficking that goes on. It's still offered us the chance to show Vartika and the team working with their hearts and on a case that's very personal to them.
Yeah. How you want to introduce this new member of this series?
This is Shayoni.
I want to, right?
There's only one. This human. And she's a lovely actor that I've watched for many years in many things like Margarita with the Straw, and is just the same class and tenor and talent of our crew. I knew she would fit in right away, and I knew she was fearless.
Yeah.
And the role that she's asked to play involves, to have to cut off your judgment of the character and make unpredictable choices, be bold, do things that I wouldn't even expect, that I felt were dangerous. And this is a very dangerous human being with a beautiful heart. So that's her.
How you want to describe your character? Because we have always seen you in a bold character doing something different. Again, you're doing something grey shade. How you want to describe?
I honestly feel extremely grateful, and I'm genuinely saying it, to be a tiny part of this amazing show that these people have built.
Yeah.
I'm extremely humbled that they just had me, and Again, you know, Huma is not here today, but there are a lot of new characters, and you know, including Huma's, of course, Badi Didi. My character is actually the little mouse around Badi Didi and getting a lot of the dirty work done. It was a glorious character to play, honestly. Again, as Tanuj said, extremely fearless. And as an actor, I had to have no judgment. Anyway, you know, you have a lot of empathy, no matter what the character is, when you're trying to play a character. You can't go in with any kind of judgment. But especially for this one, I just had to free fall backwards.
Yeah.
You know, Tanuj took me to the 12th floor of a building and said, you know what, Shai, look at me. I trust you. You trust me. And I said, yeah, you know, I trust you. And he said, just swing back and fall. And that's what I did. And I'm so glad and grateful that because when the show came to me, I was like, you know, something inside of me, honestly, कुछ अंदर से अंदर की जो वॉइस है उसने बोला कि कर ले ये मज़ा आएगा और बहुत मज़ा आया. And again, you know, I'm just truly grateful, and you know, as a team, they have just welcomed us with just open arms and so much warmth, and I'm so grateful, really.
Yes. शिफाली मैम, काफ़ी एक्सपेक्टेशन ऑडियंस जब आपसे रखती है, कितना प्रीशियस फील होता है, बिकॉज ये हार्डली कम देखने को मिलता है. आपकी ऑडियंस की एक्सपेक्टेशंस एक्ट्रेस के साथ ज़्यादा है. हाउ यू सी दिस नाउ?
आई एम टेरिफाइड. मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है, और 13 तारीख को जब शो ड्रॉप होगा, मैं एक पत्थर के नीचे जाके छुप जाऊंगी. दैट इज द प्लान ऑफ एक्शन. आई एम टेरिफाइड. यू नो, इट्स वेरी स्ट्रेंज. काफ़ी सारे व्हाट ऑफ कोर्स जो भी फिल्म करो या सीरीज करो, ये होता है कि आई होप द ऑडियंस लाइक्स व्हाट वीव डन, एंड आई होप आई हैव बीन ऑनेस्ट टू द कैरेक्टर. बट इट डजंट वरी मी सो मच. Delhi Crime really freaks me out. Because जब हमने सीजन 1 किया ना, सचमुच एक्सपेक्टेशन नहीं था कि ये इतना ब्लो अप हो जाएगा. The show as well as Madam Sir. And then season 2, and then now it's like, अच्छा, always ये ख्याल आता है कि वो दोनों ना फ्लूक होगा, हो गया वो, अब क्या करेंगे? अब तो आता नहीं है. So it's all of that. So I'm very, very scared. Very scared.
ट्रू. पर मैं आप तीनों से जानना चाहूँगी, हमने हमेशा देखा है इंडियन सिनेमा में जब भी हम पुलिस ऑफिसर्स की बात करते हैं तो वो काफ़ी हाई स्टाइल में दिखाया जाता है ना, विथ वेरी स्टाइलिश सनग्लासेस, विथ पावर पैक एक्शंस लाइक जीप से उतरना.
लेकिन हमने बोला इनको नहीं सुन रहे हैं.
हमने बोला हमें भी एक एक्शन सीक्वेंस
और हमें भी गॉगल्स पहनने, मतलब व्हाट द
I don't listen too much.
No, but Tanuj, I'm sure, doesn't want to hide their beautiful eyes now with us.
How can we?
सॉरी, आपका सवाल क्या था?
आप लोग एक ऐसा पुलिस ऑफिसर का किरदार निभा रहे हैं जो काफ़ी सिंपलिसिटी है, पर वो सिंपलिसिटी को बरकरार रखना तीनों सीजन कितना टफ रहा है आप लोग की साइड से, बिकॉज एक पुलिस को देखने का जो तरीका है इंडियन सिनेमा में काफ़ी अलग है.
On the contrary, I mean, being simpler is far easier than being OTT. Like, you know, like Dan 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 is very difficult, I think.
Yes, it is.
This is, or probably it's so for all of us. Because this is our soul. We believe in natural, honest, raw, real. If you put me in that Simba costume, I'll be like, what to do? Don't know how to say line. I'll be like that. So I also जैसे I mean Delhi Crime जब रिलीज हुआ तो इसने एक कॉप्स का एक ह्यूमन साइड भी दिखाया. हमेशा a lot of times you show a cop and you say, you know, corrupt है या not doing their job right, but this changed it. Also ये भी दिखाया कि it's not easy for these cops. हमें लगता है क्या कुछ कर नहीं रहे हैं, लेकिन उनके पास इतना पावर, मतलब पावर होगा लेकिन there are no resources for it. So I don't know if I've answered your question, but yeah.
Sir?
नहीं, गोलीबारी तो की है हमने.
हाँ, वो तो
है ना. हाँ भाई, रियलिस्टिक तरीके से एक कॉप को दिखाने की कोशिश की है हमेशा तीनों सीजन्स में, क्योंकि वही सच है. वो एक या तो अभी तक बिल्कुल टोटल हीरो होंगे कॉप या टोटल करप्ट होंगे कॉप. उनकी इंसानी साइड, उनकी मजबूरियाँ, उनकी लिमिटेशंस, और मतलब किसी को मार भी देना चाहते हैं तो भी कानून से बंधे हुए हैं. ऐसी ये सारी डुअलिटीज़ के साथ तो अच्छा, मोर चैलेंजिंग आल्सो।
सब तो बोल दिया क्या रह गया। नहीं, इस शो में काम करने में बहुत मज़ा आता है इस रीज़न के लिए। मैंने सीज़न 1 में एक कॉप को एक पुलिस ऑफिसर को फॉलो करना शुरू किया था, और उनको मैं सीज़न 1 से शैडो कर रही हूँ। सीज़न 2 और सीज़न 3 में भी मैं उनसे एक बार मिल के आती हूँ, 3-4 दिन उनके साथ उनके वर्क प्लेस में टाइम बिताती हूँ, तो अच्छा लगता है। हर बार कुछ सीखने को मिलता है। मतलब पुलिस थाने में लोग कैसी कैसी प्रॉब्लम्स लेके आते हैं। कभी कभी आपको लगता है जैसे हॉस्पिटल का ओपीडी है ना, वैसे कोई दो नेबर्स के बीच में झगड़ा हो गया तो वो भी लेके आ जाते हैं। सुबह वो केस सुन रहे हो आप, दोपहर को किसी मर्डर इन्वेस्टिगेशन में बैठे हो, तो इस तरह की बहुत ही डाइवर्स सॉर्ट ऑफ एक दिन में आपको बहुत कुछ देखने को मिल जाता है एज अ पुलिस ऑफिसर। सो दैट हैज बीन वेरी आई ओपनिंग फॉर मी। इट्स बीन अ ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस। कई लोगों की लाइफ में ऐसा होता है, जब मैं गोपाल या जयराज अनुराग जो जयराज का कैरेक्टर प्ले करते हैं, या भूपी से कभी कभी बात करती थी सेट पे कि पता है मैं ऐसे रिसर्च करने गई थी और वहाँ पे मुझे, तो उनको लगता था तुमने पहले कभी ये एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया है क्या, कभी पुलिस स्टेशन नहीं गई हो क्या। कई बार किसी किसी की जिंदगी में होता है कि उनको ये एक्सपीरियंसेस हो जाती हैं। Some people live a different kind of life and उनको वो experiences नहीं होती, so as an actor you have to go and seek that experience. So that experience has always been very beautiful for me. Also to follow the same police officer for 7 years, you know, at different times in her career has been very, very interesting. She's changed, the script has changed, Neeti has changed, I have changed, everything. So it's very nice to see that growth or that.
How you want to describe this growth now? जो नीति का growth हुआ है overall, how you want to describe?
Difficult to say, but I mean, on the work front, so she's definitely become a more confident officer, but very comfortable in her sort of quiet strength. You know, there is she doesn't feel the need to show it in any way, and that is, I think, been a journey for her to find that confidence, to find that there is another way to be it rather than the stereotypical ways of showing strength. You know, which in a very male-dominated profession sort of tends to be the thing that women in that profession adopt. You know, so I think there is the confidence is so much, and the integrity towards the work is so much that there is no show that power or strength. It's enough to sort of feel it.
मैं आप सभी से जानना चाहूँगी, OTT में काफ़ी ग्रोथ हुआ है फ्रॉम 2019 टिल नाउ। काफ़ी सारे शोज़ आए हैं, काफ़ी शो ओवरफ्लो हो गए हैं। हाउ यू सी OTT ग्रोथ तो हुआ है, लेकिन विथ ओवरफ्लो ऑफ कंटेंट, डू यू फील कि मिसयूज भी हो रहा है टैलेंट्स के साथ?
मतलब बिकॉज ज़्यादा
ओवरफ्लो ऑफ कंटेंट इज देयर,
बट इट्स ग्रेट, नो?
या
As an audience, as a student of cinema, I get to watch more.
True.
And as actors, as creators, we get more opportunities to work on.
Yeah.
कौन सा क्या करना है वो चॉइस हमारा है, ऑडियंस क्या देखना चाहता है वो भी चॉइस उनकी है। किसी ने जबरदस्ती नहीं बोला है कि ये देखना ही पड़ेगा जो भी रिलीज हो रहा है। सो आई डोंट सी दैट एज अ प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल।
Yeah, it's a longer conversation. I don't think misuse is, I mean, of course, the more the shows, the more the films, the better for any creator, right? But obviously there's a huge difference between what I was in India's first ever OTT show.
Yeah.
Since then, everything has changed.
True.
You know, and it's gone through different seasons. Like with most things, you live, you learn. The more time that is spent, it's very different right now than it was during the pandemic. 2020 was the boom because everybody was at home. There was so much. There was, like you're saying, there is no dearth of content. No dearth of language, right? But I think it's great, and what the best thing that it has done is it has exposed the audiences to everything that is being made in the world around. People watch Korean shows, we are watching all kinds of shows, which is, I mean, subtitle में shows या film देखना अभी बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है. People are used to it, पर वो 10 साल पहले नहीं देखते थे, so I think it's a great thing as is.
Yes, Rajesh sir?
ज़्यादा हो गए तो देख कम पा रहा हूँ। इतने सारे हो गए, क्या देखें क्या नहीं।
आज अच्छे कंटेंट भी
अच्छा कंटेंट तो देखूंगा तो पता चलेगा क्या है क्या नहीं है। लेकिन मतलब जैसे शिफाली ने कहा कि ज़्यादा काम बन रहा है तो ऑब्वियसली जब भी क्वांटिटी बढ़ती है तो हो सकता है क्वालिटी में कहीं कॉम्प्रोमाइज हो, कोई अच्छा नहीं आता हो। पहले 5 ही आ रहे थे तो वो एक अलग चीज़ थी, अब 50 आ रहे हैं तो हो सकता है वो, बट मुझे लगता है अच्छा काम हो रहा है, अच्छा काम करने को मिल रहा है, अच्छा काम देखने को मिल रहा है।
True,
अच्छी
true.
बात है।
बस सबने सब कुछ बोल
सारे प्रवचन पूरे हो गए।
बट अभी तो काफी चेंजेस भी आ गए और आजकल माइक्रो ड्रामास आ गए वर्टिकल. हाउ यू सी दिस ग्रोथ आल्सो, जो एक ओटीटी को कॉम्पिटिशन्स की तरह देखा जाता है?
हमारे लिए वर्टिकल है। नो वर्टिकल। ओके।
Sorry. I was like, I haven't watched any microdrama yet.
Actually.
But it's an interesting concept. I've thought that it's always very interesting. I don't know if it's that particular format is in competition with this particular format. I'm not
can't be,
sure.
no?
Because completely two different lengths. That's a very short form and this is a very long form. So I don't know, and that's still evolving. It's still fairly new. I haven't watched anything. Have you? Have you?
No, I
I've
haven't.
watched something on Instagram which comes, you know, the Shorts TV karke.
Shorts.
TV, like something.
I haven't watched an entire series.
I took because it was very like cheesy and this rom-com kind of thing. Okay?
Oh,
it was
lovely.
like really dirty and cheesy, and I was like, nice.
Yeah,
So then
lovely.
I took subscription, but it was fine.
She is the audience that everybody. No. The one that says, "Chalo subscription."
Oh my god, I have कौन से क्या देखना है सब subscription. But honestly, you know, I got offered a few micro dramas, but मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है, अभी तो नहीं करूँगी मैं. मतलब समझ नहीं आ रहा मुझे.
You have seen, so as a director also, how you see this change?
I'm ready. Let's do one. Let's do it.
Today.
Delhi Crime Season 4.
Today let's
It's
do
vertical.
it. Now.
Is it good for Indian cinema or Indian film industry?
It's hard to know at the moment. Abhi to nobody knows.
Yeah.
I think the thing is the format will continue to change. We used to have film, 35mm film. You could only see it projected in theaters. Then you got digital video. All of a sudden you could watch it at home. You had a TV or digital TVs. All of a sudden they became HD TVs. You could put your film online. You could watch YouTube. I used to cut film, splice it. I used to splice my film actually.
Same.
With the scissor blade and you know
Slicer.
then you're getting to the point where I can upload videos myself. I can upload videos that are mine. I can bring my hard drive. I shoot a movie in America. I can go bring it to India and edit it there. All of a sudden now we're starting getting social media. We're seeing movies on social media. You know, the format changes, but storytelling stays the same throughout. If you can't tell your story, if you can't figure out how to engage your viewer, that's the biggest technology is still between our ears.
True.
And formats will continue to change. The people who will survive will adapt to changing formats. If you want to keep doing plays, you can do plays too. They're still there, but you might not get to buy the house you want.
True. Thank you so much and all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.